Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. May is here, and it's the perfect time to get your Toyota ready for warmer days ahead at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. Stay ahead on maintenance with Toyota Service Care starting at just $275, a convenient way to keep your vehicle running smoothly and confidently mile after mile. As temperatures rise, keep your engine protected with our coolant service special, $25 off, helping your Toyota stay cool and perform at its best all season long. And for a fresher, cleaner ride, enjoy $15 off a cabin air filter replacement, perfect for improving air quality inside your vehicle as spring turns to summer. Schedule your service today at conicelliservice.com or simply call 888-289-5948. Conicelli Toyota, a nice place to do business.